Come on, Rajnath, please, I've not cheated you. Give me one chance at least, please.
We want a chance, Mathur. You'll have to account for it in private now. Come with us. Come. Durga,
Yes?
there is magic in your hands. There is magic in your hands. I had stopped watering these plants. I thought that they have died.
Oh, Pachu uncle, Mom always used to say that children cannot be raised with bread and water. You have to talk with them, take care of them. Same way you have to nourish the plants like kids. You have to take care of them and you have to talk to them. What happened? Why are you laughing? Can't you see them growing?
Yes?
Durga, I hope you remember. Today in the city, this event is happening.
I remember it, Dad. That's why I have planned everything. And if he gets award from Goenkas along with this, it'll be great. On one hand, business world will applaud him, and Goenkas will pull him down. His success will be his defeat. Nothing can be better end for Mr. Naveen Mathur, Dad.
Thank you. Thank you, Rinki. Hello.
Thank you, Mrs. Goenka. Really, thanks a lot.
What are you talking about, Mathur?
I know that you have got a call from National Commerce Council and they have requested you that the award that I'm supposed to get, you and Mr. Goenka present the award to me.
That's really nice.
Really, Mrs. Goenka, getting this award is not enough for me. It is important that I'm getting it from you, and the most important thing is this award, industry's most important. I mean, my boss is presenting me this award.
I'm very happy for you, Mr. Mathur. Very pleased. You deserve a reward for all the hard work and honesty that you have given. In fact, I had requested National Commerce Council to let me present this award to you.
Whatever I am today, the reason is you, and only you. If Goenkas were not in my life, this Naveen Mathur would not deserve this award.
Get ready. Tonight is yours.
Thank you.
This is going to be a long night for you, Mathur. Are preparations for tonight complete?
Now, the only thing left is darkness.
Crack it.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Jessica, I'm leaving now.
Okay, sir.
And I'll be late tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
Meaning? How many new ways they will find for entertaining? Come up with some new pop-up every day.
Hey, no. I don't want money. You keep this. You will need it, sir.
Hey! 20 minutes more? What's this?
Hey, Mr. Mathur is here.
Mathur is here.
Mr. Mathur is
Mr.
here.
Mathur is here. Come on,
Come on, come on.
Mr.
Mathur, did you always know that
you will get this award? We all want to know, Mr.
Sir,
Mathur.
please,
Whether
one
you
question.
knew it.
Mr. Mathur, welcome. Today's evening is for you.
Thank you. Why are you embarrassing me like this?
What embarrassment? Today, entire Kolkata is happy for you. And even me. Come on, let's go inside. Everyone is eagerly waiting for you inside. They all are waiting to honor you.
After you.
Mr. Mathur, what do you think, sir? Please answer us, sir. Sir, what do you think about...
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Sir, what is your opinion about... Please answer us, sir. What do you think of this award?
Only 10 more minutes? Who's fooling around with me? Who's sending this to me?
What happened, sir?
Where is that girl?
Which girl, sir?
The one who gave this bouquet to me.
She must be from the WBCC Welcome Committee. What happened, sir? Tell me. Do you need something?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Let's go, sir.
Sir, please tell us, sir.
please tell us, please, sir.
We want to know, sir. Please tell us.
Sir, please.
Sir, you are getting an award, sir.
getting an award,
Please,
sir.
we want to know.
Fine,
Sir,
please.
Good job. Thanks.
Thank you. Please tell us, sir. Sir,
Sir, please, you are getting an award. Sir, please, you are getting an
I
award, sir.
feel really honored. Really. Who will not feel honored on receiving the Best Entrepreneur Award? Actually, whatever I am today is because of Rajnath and Sakshi Goenka.
Mathur sir, you look great today.
No matter how much I thank them, it's not enough.
today is Naveen Mathur's day. It would be good if you can give your complete attention to him. We will surely talk to you later. That's a promise. Welcome, sir. Please come.
Hey, Mr. Mathur. Hey,
Chaudhary.
sir. Congratulations, congratulations. I mean, you're the hero. Entrepreneur Award of the Year 2014? Great. I mean, all this, how?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
You tell me, how is... What is the matter?
Oh,
Are you discussing business secrets or secrets of success? Hey, Mr. Goenka, Mr. Goenka. We will learn the business secrets and secrets of success from you, sir. And maybe Mr. Mathur is prince of today's evening, but the king. You, right? Tell me. Shall we?
Yep,
Yes, please.
after you.
Sir. We deserve a drink, Mathur. Waiter.
Oh,
This is such a boys' club.
How does that make any difference, Sakshi? Even if it was Home Minister, you would look the same. Excited?
yeah. Only 5 minutes? What the?
Thank you. What's the matter, Mathur? Instead of being happy, you look as if you've seen someone dying somewhere.
No. Actually, Mrs. Goenka, I am a little nervous. Getting such a big award. And I feel that after getting this award, I'll be shouldering serious responsibilities.
Yes, Mathur. After today, everyone will know you. In fact, I don't think even we will be able to cover you. Naveen Mathur is going to become very famous. To Mathur.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to all of you. I welcome you all to the Council of Commerce Award Night. Let things happen the way it has to happen after today. I cannot say anything in front of great business tycoons, so let me begin with the ceremony. Let me call on the stage the business leaders of Kolkata, the Goenkas. Please put your hands together for the chairman of Goenka Group of Industries, Mr. Rajnath Goenka. And to the ever gracious, gorgeous, charming, the managing director, Mrs. Sakshi Goenka. Please, ma'am, come on the stage. And this year, these great personalities have not come to take an award here. They have come to give an award. And this is their greatness. They themselves will give the Entrepreneur of the Year award to their company's CEO, Mr. Naveen Mathur. Mr. Naveen Mathur, please come on the stage.
Mrs. Goenka, a few words, please.
It is said that trust is a foundation for every business house. Today is a historic day for Goenka Group. The man who gave us his trust, honesty, truth and loyalty. Today he is going to get an award. Naveen Mathur. The one who did something so unique with our trust that he surely deserves the Entrepreneur of the Year award. But I don't think that anyone would have won this award after cheating. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the betrayer of the year, the liar of the year, Naveen Mathur. Naveen Mathur, who turned fraud into a talent. He could cheat experienced businessmen like us. Goddess has her blessings with Goenkas that we got the hints and the warning very timely. There's an old saying, Raj. A woman's instincts are stronger than a man's reasoning skills. Thank you, Mathur. Today, by proving this, you have increased my self-confidence.
Mrs. Goenka, what are you doing? For God's sake, why are you doing so?
Mr. Mathur doesn't believe what is said and heard. In fact, even you shouldn't. Come, Mathur. Let us all see that.
Ladies and gentlemen, Naveen Mathur has been associated with our business, our family for 15 years. 15 years. And we are embarrassed that we couldn't recognize the devil inside our family.
What is this?
You shut up. I'll tell you when I come to know what this is. Look at him, our company CEO, Naveen Mathur. What should we do? See, with an ordinary dealer, Chaudhary, who considers himself our business rival. See, what is being given, what's being taken, you can understand yourself. He was not happy with our friendship and our trust. More important than our money, our reputation and position was his greed. Naveen Mathur, Entrepreneur of the Year.
Don't be surprised, Mathur. We have got all the evidences from your house. I'm thankful to West Bengal Council of Commerce that they gave us all a chance to get to know this man, to understand what he is really. Because after today, even if someone would wish to get trapped in Naveen Mathur's trap, at least we are not going to regret that we did not warn them. This show is over, friends. I only want to say one more thing. As the director of Goenka Group, after today, Goenka Group will not have any dealings with any company or association that will have Naveen Mathur's name in their rooster. Thank you and good night.
Mathur, you cannot get away easily. You messed with the wrong people. I will hang you upside down on the Howrah Bridge.
Your advocate will change your image in the court. Right now, you have only lost your reputation.
Please have mercy on us, Mr. Mathur. How can your conscience even allow you to do this?
Please, do not worry about my conscience. My conscience is already buried under money.
Mr. Mathur! Please, Mr. Mathur!
Today I have lit up the marshal of your revenge pile. I have dropped Naveen Mathur from such a height that he'll never be able to get up again.
Come on, Rajnath, please, I have not cheated you. Give me one chance at least, please.
We want a chance, Mathur. You'll have to account for it in private now. Come with us. Come.
Hey, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. The show has just begun. You will get the answers to all your questions tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Till then, good night, bye-bye, and do whatever you want to do.
The blames, the photographs, is all this. If
Actually-
all this is true, then it's also true that I'm the
Yes.
Prime Minister of the nation.
Sir,
Come on,
sir, please,
Mr.
sir.
Chaudhary, please. Goenkas have pressed serious allegations against you.
Madam, whatever Miss Sankshi Goenka said was for her employee. I'm not connected with this. I work for myself because I am Chaudhary. Chaudhary and Sons Chaudhary. Do you get it? Good night. Thank you.
Sir, please, one question.